Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your profile on Threads. Keep watching the video till the end. To edit your profile on Threads, firstly go ahead and open your Threads application. The home page of Threads application will appear on the screen. Now to edit your profile on Threads, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will end up on your profile section of Threads account. Tap on Edit Profile option. Here you can edit your name, your bio as well as set your Threads profile from public to private as well by sliding the slider to the right side. This is how you can edit your profile on Threads application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.